Hello there, we are going to see how to install Linux on Windows. For that, we need virtualization software. Oracle VirtualBox is one of the famous and free virtualization software available in the market. Come on, let's begin. Go to the browser and type virtualbox.org. Click the button Download VirtualBox. Click the link Windows hosts. Once the file downloaded, click the file and begin the installation. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Yes and install. Click Finish. We installed Oracle VirtualBox, now we need to download Linux OS. So for this video I am going to use Ubuntu OS Desktop Edition. Here you go. Go to the browser and type ubuntu.com. Click on the download menu. I am going to download stable version. Now the VirtualBox and Ubuntu image, ISO, file is ready to begin the Linux installation. Are you excited? Come on, let's start. Open Oracle VirtualBox. Click New for creating virtual machine. I am going to select OS type Linux and version Ubuntu 64. Oracle VirtualBox support n numbers of Linux operating systems. Other than Linux operating systems like Windows, Android also you can use in Oracle VirtualBox. Click Next. Allocate the RAM for the virtual machine based on RAM availability on your computer. I am going to set 2 GB now. Later you can increase or decrease the size based on the need. Click Next. You have create the storage for the virtual machine. Hard disk size is 10 GB by default. Click Create. VDI is default hard disk image format in VirtualBox. You can select other formats also based on your needs. Click Next. Either you can select dynamically allocated or fixed size. Dynamically allocate option increase the storage size. Using fixed size option you can't increase the size. Click Next. Here only you have to set the storage size. I am going to use default size 10 GB. Click Create. Now everything is ready to install the Linux on your computer. Wait. One thing we are missing, that is, we need Ubuntu ISO file. I will show you. Click Start. Select the Ubuntu ISO file and then click Start. Linux installation started now. There are two options available to log on to the Ubuntu. Either you can install the OS on your hard disk or simply you can run the OS from the drive without installing it. But for this video, I am going to install. Click Install Ubuntu. Click Continue. Click Checkbox Unchecked, if you don't want to download and install the updates. I am going to leave the checkbox checked. Click Continue. Click Install now. Click Continue. Change your location if required and then click Continue. Create username and password, then click Continue. Click Restart now. If you don't want to connect with online account, click Skip. Click Next. Select No if you don't want to share the system info. Click Next. Click Next. That's all. Click Done. To check the IP details, you can use command ifconfig. But command failed and I tried IP protocol configuration. I know IP protocol configuration command is not correct command in Linux OS. This command is for DOS operating system. So the problem is, net package is not installed here, so to install the package I have to run the command as admin. So I have run sudo command first. Currently the network mode is NAT. We can change that to bridged adapter mode in VirtualBox settings. Click Network option. Change NAT to bridged adapter. Click OK. IP changed now.